Keep it straight down the line.
Got it. Wheels are clear. Tag read CROC 7421. Scan it for me. Yep.
Let's get it receiving.
On it.
Pumping down, lift's clear.
Press the edge, keep it straight down the line.
Port coming in, staging bay 2.
Set it here.
Clear? Picking up.
Good. Solid height on top. We're at 49, that's where we want it.
Good. Okay, still steady?
Yeah, same as this morning, I'm logging it now.
Copy, I'll check the next tank.
Give me a shout if you see anything creeping up.
Will do.
Firm pressure straight down the beam. Make sure the edge stays square. Let the knife do the work, don't force it. You can hear when the tissue breaks free. Smooth, even sound. Keep the strokes overlapping so you don't miss a spot. Check often. A clean hide feels like wet glass. Last pass here.
2 kilos for this side. Anything less and the moisture won't pull out right. All right, spread it wide, work it into the grain. You want every inch covered, especially the edges. That's where it likes to spoil. I always lift the corner, check the underside. If it feels damp, give it more.
In chrome tanning, precision is everything. Each drum holds hundreds of liters of liquor, but a few measured grams can change the finish of an entire batch. The technician weighs the additive, double-checks the reading, and feeds it directly into the bath.
Looks good. Grain's opening up nicely.
Fresh out of the drum, hides are heavy and soaked. We lay them on stainless tables to open them up and let the fibers breathe. The stretcher feeds them through polished rollers, pressing out water and leveling the thickness. You can hear it working, a steady hum. Once they come out flat and even, we check the grain, the flexibility.
In this warehouse, perfectly balanced airflow moves steadily across rows of hides, drawing out moisture without pulling away the suppleness. Each piece, monitored in real time, is transferred to the softening machine. Rollers gently knead the fibers while temperature and humidity are continually adjusted.
You look for the tiny scars the animal left behind. That's where the character lives. And then, when the spray flows right, you let the color tie it all together. Even, warm, breathing. That's when you know it's ready.
All right, giving it a quarter turn. Go ahead.
Nice and even. You can see the dye took real clean on this side.
Yeah, the grain's popping.
Feels smooth, no rough spots.
Looks good. Let it breathe a bit.
Every piece has its place. Front panels here, sleeves there, pockets stacked like playing cards. I like to score the curve first, lets the needle know where it's headed. Once the edges marry up, the machine does its rhythm and I just guide. You can feel when the seam
The collar is eased in by hand, every stitch locked tight with a curved awl. When the sleeve meets the shoulder, tools pinch the layers into a clean line. Then the jacket goes to the press, steam and heat shaping what the hands began. I watch the form take life in the mist and
Smooth across the shoulder, no drag. Zipper line clean. Grain's even on the back panel, collar sits right good. She's ready.
Lay the jacket flat and fold one panel across, smoothing the fabric as you go. Bring the opposite side over and tuck in the sleeves so nothing bunches. Center it on branded tissue, wrap, and seal with a logo sticker. Lower it gently into the box, add a protective layer.
All set. Jacket's packed, labels on.
Looks good. Truck's ready whenever you are.
Love it when a shipment comes together this smooth.
Lot number 426, expiration checked, seal intact, moving to next pallet. Upper label scan complete, everything matches.
Pallets on the truck. Need anything else?
Looks good, thanks Marco. Noted wrap damage on B8.
Looking for rewrap. Scan's good. Label matches manifest.
Noted. I'll check off pallet B17.
Forklift coming in. Watch your side.
Copy that. Forks lined up. Lifting. Pallet clear.
Scan's good. Label matches manifest.
Noted. I'll check off pallet B17.
Forklift coming in. Watch your side.
Copy that. Forks lined up. Lifting. Pallet clear.
Coming up.
Got it.
Next one scanned.
Ready.
Passing.
Stacking.
How's the count?
2 more to go.
Last one.
Locked in. Let's close her up.